Welcome to Mystical Platter with me, Rehnaz.
Here I am with another snack recipe which is very common in Kerala, and the reason why it's common is because of the banana used here, which has its origin in Kerala. It's called as plantain or Nendra bananas in English, and it's one of the best among the bananas as it has a lot of health benefits too. So today we are gonna stuff these bananas with sweet coconut filling, wrap it up in a sheet of maida and fry. Yum! Guys, I can't wait to share this with you. So let's get started. So these are the complete ingredients what we use for the recipe. The bananas shouldn't be overripe. Depends on how many you want to make. Then we need sugar, freshly grated coconut, maida, a pinch of salt, ghee, cardamom powder, cashew nuts and raisins are mentioned on the screen. So let's start by making the coconut stuffing first. In a pot, add ghee and roast the cashew nuts and the raisins till they turn golden brown in color. To this, add freshly grated coconut. I have taken two medium-sized coconut.
As I'm gonna stuff
5 bananas, and with the same stuffing I have something different for you guys in my next video, so please stay tuned. And for those who are watching this without subscribing, please subscribe to my channel and press all in the bell icon to get notified for all the videos that I update.
So let's get back to the video. The coconut, we are going to add 1 cup of sugar and you're going to mix it very well till the sugar gets melted and it's blended well with the coconut. To this, add half a teaspoon of cardamom powder to enhance the flavor of the mixture. Now keep mixing it well, else it may stick to the bottom of the pot. Once the sugar is completely melted and the mixture is little sticky, you can turn off the flame and keep it aside. Next, we need to make the dough. So here I have taken 2 cups of maida or all-purpose flour, and to this I'm adding half a teaspoon of salt, and I'm gonna knead the dough by adding water little by little until you get a soft dough. At the end, you can apply little ghee onto your palm and knead the dough to make it even more soft and crispy when you fry it. Next, we're going to stuff these bananas. These bananas are rich in calcium, phosphorus, iron and fiber with no cholesterol. Also, it is very good for babies, especially for their weight gain, and it keeps you full for a long time. So let's start stuffing these bananas. So for this, we need to make a straight slit in the center. It shouldn't be so deep that the other side gets cut. So be very careful, else you can't do the stuffing. And make sure you don't cut the slit till the end. So it should be a very deep slit right in the center of the bananas. So into this, we are going to add the coconut filling and press it nicely into the slit made, and make sure there is enough stuffing or the filling inside. So add enough of coconut and cover the whole slit like how I'm doing it. So let me quickly stuff all these bananas for you. Here it is, all the bananas are stuffed, and now we are going to wrap this up in a sheet of maida. So take little dough and roll it into thin sheet big enough to cover the banana. Make sure that the sheet is thin, not very thick. I'm going to keep the banana in the center with the slit side facing down, and then cover both the sides and seal the edges. Press it gently so that it's nicely covered and intact. Let me show you one more. So take a little dough, flatten it and roll it into a very thin sheet. If it's too thick, then you will have a lot of dough to eat. So make the covering very thin. Keep the banana in the center with the slit facing down. Roll it up and cover it. Seal the edges and give it a gentle press. Now here it is. All the bananas are nicely wrapped up. Now we need to fry this. So heat oil into a frying pot, and when the oil is hot enough, add the banana and fry evenly on both the sides till they turn golden brown and crispy. Make sure you don't leave it in the oil at one side for a long time. It may get burnt. So be very careful. Then flip over and fry the other side. Now it's nice golden in color. So let's remove it onto a serving plate. Wow, friends, this looks amazing. It is so crisp outside and it's very crunchy, and inside it's very soft, and the sweet coconut filling with the cardamom gives an amazing flavor to this. And yes, you need to serve this by cutting it into 3 or 4 pieces. And once after cutting, you can see how beautiful it looks with a coconut filling inside the fried bananas and a crunchy coating outside. Wow, it looks truly delicious and beautiful. So friends, though it seems to be a little lengthy process, you will surely relish your taste buds with this yummy stuffed coconut bananas. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. So until my next one, stay safe and please take care. Please like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notification from Mystical Platter. Thanks for watching.